You are referring to which order?
22/11/24.
22/11
Registry is directed to call the status.
स्टेटस रिपोर्ट. कितना टाइम हो गया आपको?
Lordship, I'm behind bars 1 year and 4 months, Lordship.
कितना?
1 year and 4 months.
1 year
and 4 months. You know.
How much is seizure?
Lordship, the seizure of 800 bottles.
800 bottles.
Yes.
And why do you think you should be granted bail?
Lordship, because this is a case of the false implication, Lordship.
क्यों?
Lordship, as per the case of the prosecution, Lordship, there are the 4 accused: Bharat, Himalay, and Bhayan, जिसकी cancellation pending, and the present applicant, Lordship. And the brother Bharat and Himalay are implicated on the basis of the memorandum. Other 3 accused has been granted bail, Lordship, and the 4th one.
ये आपने co-accused का reference दिया हुआ ना, इसलिए इनको notice किया है. कहाँ है इनका order? Co-accused का order?
Lordship, kindly come to the annexer A4, Lordship, page number 38.
A4.
Yes, Lordship.
Ramchand.
The Bhagwan Singh, the order of the Bhagwan Singh on page number 47, Lordship, and the cancellation.
We have filed the cancellation application.
Lordship, that is
17.1.
17.1
is the cancellation.
1. अच्छा, cancel. You have filed cancellation.
My lord, the state has filed.
Why?
My lord, there are some criminal cases against him, my lord.
Yes.
Of the same offense under section, my lord, 8/21, 22, and 29 of the NDPS.
They were prior to granting of the bail.
No. So whether that offences were considered by the court?
Maharaj, they were, in fact, if I just may be permitted to bring the facts on this. In this matter, Maharaj, there are 2 adjoining police stations in Balaghat. One is Malachkhand, one is Pirsa.
Yes.
The second offense, which my senior refers to, is an offense registered 1 day prior at police station Malachkhand. And on the very next day, in fact, with a difference of about a few hours, because it is PM and AM, that's how close these incidents are. Another offense was registered at police station Birsa. Now, accused persons are common amongst both. Even this Himalaya and Bharat are accused persons in both. And these others also are accused persons in both. That's how the criminal antecedents have come to pass. My submission, rather my preliminary objection for cancellation of bail, if my lord will just have my response. In fact, it's a preliminary response which I filed. The law on this, my lord, is rather clear. The grounds on which the state has filed the application for cancellation is that an error has occurred in allowing the bail application because of submissions or whatever be the reason. Now, the law, my lords, is very simple. In fact, my lords are well aware. The thing is that if there is an error in granting bail, then only an appellate court has the jurisdiction to set aside the order.
No, error is one thing and suppression is another.
Yes, yes. It's not a case. They don't plead suppression. In their application, I've gone through their application, they don't plead suppression. They only say that certain considerations fell wrongly, and they also admit because the state could not bring those on the.
It is submitted that one after other 2 crime numbers are registered against the applicant. ये तो mentioned ही है. On basis of memorandum given by Bharat and Himalaya.
No supervening circumstance. They just say that there is an error in the order, and that is, of course, if my lords will just.
No, you are having criminal records.
Yes, that previous Malachkhand case.
बस एक ही है.
2 है.
इसको मिला के दूसरा.
इसको
एक ही था ना criminal records.
Yes. 294, 323, 452, and 506 of the Act.
That is not in NDPS Act.
Yes.
that is not in NDPS.
आपका क्या है?
Lordship, my case
आपके
is,
कितने रिकॉर्ड है?
Lordship, there is no record, Lordship. As per instructions, कोई record नहीं है हमारा.
इनका कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है.
नहीं सर, इनका कोई.
और आप तो स्पॉट पे पकड़े गए.
Lordship, हम and the other co-accused, Lordship, Bhagwan Singh Tekam, Lordship, both are catched on spot, Lordship. So my case is identical to the Lordship Bhagwan Singh Tekam, so Lordship.
अच्छा, जिसके लिए स्टेट ने
Cancellation
किया
Lordship.
So they have filed the reply that copy is not with us.
No, it's filed long back, sir.
That is not our.
It was filed with the
Copy
of the
will
state on
separate.
14/10/24.
Could it be in the password? I will just go through and I will.
Give him a copy.
My senior will have my copy.
Copy. I will just go through
Because
and I
I'm
will take
sorry,
instruction. We have to verify.
The
Give him a copy. List next week for consideration.
My lord, the medical report of the applicant was called.
Yes, state.
They have advised for to be taken to a higher center, and they say that he
Yeah, what is the disease?
he is suffering with.
Would it be in district, my lord? What is
This
not-
is the report given under the provisions of RTI. What we got, what it's.
आपके
His-
पास
his
report
nerve-
हमारे पास में नहीं।
his
I'm
nerves-
thinking only at daytime, my
His
lord.
nerves below the spine are being affected and they are deteriorating. So hemangiopenia is the ailment with which he is suffering with. उन्होंने वहाँ बोला कि इसका इलाज एम्स भोपाल में नहीं हो सकता, इसको हायर सेंटर ले जाना है.
Would it be after 2 days, my lord? I will just call out to your lordship the medical report.
Government advocate appearing for state based for short time to seek instructions. Learned senior counsel appearing for applicant submitted that he had received certified copy from jail superintendent regarding medical condition of applicant. It is submitted that he is suffering from
लास्ट पेज में लिखा हुआ सर वो सीटी वो आखिरी के चार हेमंजो
he is suffering from lesions at T1 and T2 and C7. There is compression of cord. क्या हो रहा है? What defect you are having?
he cannot even move. He's lying over there. Even his day-to-day movies, even
It
movement.
is submitted that due to said medical condition, applicant is unable to move and do day-to-day works. He require urgent medical treatment at higher centers. Government advocate may seek instructions and argue the case tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
एक की कॉपी भी
मैं फाइल करा दे रहा हूँ.
दे
मैं फाइल करा दे रहा हूँ.
day after tomorrow.
जी सर.